Hi everyone, welcome back to your journey in learning Excel 2016. We have our data, our case study of list of employees. In this tutorial specifically, we are going to follow different types of calculations. We are going to actually do different types of calculations. So what can be the calculations we can include apart from what the data is given over here? We have the names of the employees which are given, their departments, gender and their monthly salary. So can we find out their annual salary? Yes, we can. I'm just writing down annual salary over here, and annual salary again will be in dollar terms. I'll increase the width of the cell. So for finding out annual salary, we have to do different calculations. Apart from this, we can also find out the number of males and females. Yes, we can do that. The number of males and females we can very well find out. We can find out the different types of departments which are present and what is the total number of employees, that also we can find out. But before actually going to the first calculation of finding the annual salary, we need to understand some of the mathematical calculators. Going to the sheet 2, I'm going to tell you the different mathematical calculators which are present and which we are going to use in Excel. So I'm going to click on sheet 2. And these are the mathematical operators or calculators which I've already listed. So this slash sign is specifically used for division. So when you want to divide some numbers, you will use this slash sign. When you want to do multiplication, so you want to multiply, you will use this multiplication sign. When you want to add something, you will use this plus sign. And when you want to subtract something, you will use this minus sign or the dash which is present over here. Now you must be thinking that where are these signs present? If you're using a keyboard, a normal keyboard, all these signs you will find near the num lock. So where all the numbers are there near the num lock, you will find the slash, that is the division sign. We'll also find the multiplication sign as well as the addition and subtraction signs which are present. But if you are using a laptop, then this signs, that is division sign specifically, you will find it near the shift key. You can find it there. The multiplication sign is present along with the number 8. So number 8 on the top, with that you have the multiplication sign. So for using the multiplication sign, you will have to press shift and 8 to get the multiplication sign enabled. Otherwise, if you just only click on 8, you will just get the number 8. Plus sign and minus sign are again present near the backspace button. So where the backspace button is there, you will find the addition and subtraction sign. So these are the 4 mathematical operators which I wanted to explain. Now let's take some numbers and use these operators. So let's say the numbers are 20 and 10. If I divide this 20 by 10, I'm using the first operator, that is division. So if I divide 20 by 10, the answer should be 2. So how do I use this sign? How do I arrive at this sign? So here in the cell G3, I'm going to do this calculation. So once you try to input anything which is related to formula, or you are trying some operations, always make use of is equal to sign. Is equal to sign is present near the backspace key on the normal keyboard along with the plus sign. So I'm going to press is equal to. In the numerator, obviously, since we are dividing 20 by 10, in the numerator we will have to have the number 20. So number 20 is present in cell E3. Okay, so I'm going to click on cell E3 which has the number 20. I'm going to make use of the division sign. And the denominator we have, we need to have number 10. So number 10 is again present in cell F3. So I'm just clicking where number 10 is there. On that cell, you just need to click with the help of mouse. I have clicked on that and cell F3 is now selected, and just click enter. So once you click on enter, you get the answer as 2, which is our answer which was required. Coming to multiplication, I'll just copy these numbers in all the cells. Okay, coming to multiplication, for this I will again have to include equal to sign. I'll take 20 which is there in cell E4. I'll use the multiplication sign and make use of 10 which is there in cell F4. Once I press enter, I'll get the answer as 200. Coming to addition sign, I'll add 20 plus 10, I'll get answer as 30. And finally, once I subtract 10 from 20, so I'll have to include equal to sign, select 20, make use of subtraction sign and click on 10 which is present in cell F6. I'll get the answer as 10. So these are the answers which we got with the help of different mathematical operators which we use for these two numbers. So I hope that you have learned how to use the mathematical operators and where they are present on your keyboard or your normal keyboard or your laptop. Let's now come to our sheet 1 which has our case study. I'll just zoom it a bit. So we wanted to actually find out the annual salary for 12 months. We have the data for a single month salary, that is a monthly salary. So let's try to find out the annual salary. For this, I'll again press equal to sign. Click on cell F4 for finding out the monthly salary. For finding out the annual salary of Bruce, I'll select this monthly salary of 2500 and I'll multiply it by 12. So I'm just include the multiplication sign. I've just included that sign and I have typed the number 12 and I'll press enter. So this is the annual salary of Bruce. Similarly, for finding out the annual salary of Jacob, I'll include equal to sign. I'll take his monthly salary, multiply it by 12. So this is really very simple, wherein you just need to make use of the multiplication sign and number 12. But again, we are not going to do the calculations for each and every employee. We are going to make use of the autofill function, wherein I'll just select these two cells with the help of mouse and I will drag it till the last employee. Okay, so everywhere the numbers are automatically filled. If you click anywhere, you can see the formula is present. Okay, so here we have F9 into 12. So F9 into 12. F9 is the monthly salary of Hannah, which is 2200 into 12. So your formula is correct. If you just need to check the formula, what you can do is press F2 key. Select any cell that you want to check and press F2. So F8, which is present over here, consisting of salary of 7100 is highlighted and you have the formula used as multiplied by 12. So you can just cross check with this, and with this we have completed finding out the annual salary for all the 18 employees.